Okay, folks, this is Mosha coming to you again from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in Dominican Republic. I have two beautiful people. I got all kinds of people come to my place. Dominicans, Americans, whatever. Now, this is their first time trying. This is his first time trying this. Now, I want him to taste this and tell you. He tastes the rice. Go ahead.
Oh, wow. This is the best food here in Zozua.
Thank you.
The best Jamaican food here. The flavor is so good, so rich.
Look at that.
So I feel good, and everybody here need to come here.
Oh my
Jamaica,
God!
The Rastafari, Bob Marley, everything is here.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna speak in Spanish. You want her to speak or she?
Y algo que lo bueno de la comida que está.
Mira, mi amor, okay, mira, tú puedes hablar en español. Mira, es el primera vez aquí. Es la primera vez que tú probas comida jamaica.
Sí, es primera vez, está súper feliz.
Okay, mira, she said it's the first time. It's super.
Está súper feliz.
Super.
Está bueno.
So she said super good.
Súper bueno.
Super good. It's very, very good. And she love it. Habla en español, mi hermano. Que esta primera vez.
Todo el mundo que quiera venir a comer una verdadera comida jamaiquina.
Esta es la primera vez que tú pruebas
Es
esa.
la primera comida jamaiquina que me como y realmente es deliciosa, muy rica y vengan para acá.
Wow.
Ya ustedes saben. Perfecto.
Mira. Wow. ¡Epa! Mírate esa. Esa es la...
Look at that chicken, look at that rice.
The rice and peas.
Oh boy, they're juicy. Oh,
Look at that.
God.
So,
Oh wow.
she loving it. Él habla de ella, pero ella quiere probar esa. Ella quiere probar también. So yo hablo de ella. Normalmente 1 hora, pero ese tiempo el carbón tan fuerte. So no tomamos 1 hora. So ellos están muy feliz y yo soy feliz con ellos.
This guy making a lot of good job for us. So come here.
Thank you, my friend.
brother.
What is your name?
Enrique.
¿Tu nombre?
Enrique.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo hablo en español. Mi amor, ¿cuál es tu nombre?
Nana.
Her name is Nana, and he loved the food and he loved the place. They got very good energy. Guys, Mosha coming to you from...
Rastafari, goodbye only.
That's right, brother. Mosha coming to you from the Mosha Reggae Lounge. Like I said, you can play chess while we're waiting, okay? And remember this, you must treat people the way you like to be treated, because the world is like a mirror and it reflects what you do. If your face is smiling, it smiles back at you. So if you want change in your life, you change yourself first, and before you go asking people to change. Okay, guys? So boom shakatak, enough respect to the people of the world. Coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge.